I'm Angelo. I'm the founder and CEO of Wanderfuel. You can think of Wanderfuel as your one-stop shop for travel wellness. So whether you need energy, you want a great night's sleep, support with digestion, we've thought about all of the essential products so you can feel your best while you're traveling.
For that reason, we custom curate our kits to be chock full of all things you might need while you're traveling. Rooted in holistic principles, we cover your immunity, your digestion, and hope that you leave energized and feeling better than when you went on.
We are really careful about what we bring into products. We look for authenticity, we look for quality, where are ingredients coming from, do products have as few ingredients as possible, really emphasizing innovation and science and products that actually work.
What made us decide to partner with JetBlue and Mint was really an alignment of values. Both companies are rooted in principles of wanting our customers and consumers to really feel well on the travel journey.
With JetBlue and Mint, we wanted to reinvent the one-size-fits-all concept. So we thought about creating 4 different kits tailored for flight time and destination. So providing people with the products that we know are going to help them the most throughout the travel journey. I'm excited for Mint customers to truly feel like they're in mint condition, not worrying about having to bring their probiotics or their sleep supplement because we have it covered for them. So really just that feeling of relaxation when you step on board, that's what we're excited to bring.